We have all heard of vibe coding, but have you ever heard of vibe planning? Today, I'm going to show you how to vibe plan like a pro using Traycer, an IDE extension that lets you plan and implement code changes, and Context 7, an MCP server that feeds up-to-date documentation to your coding agent. We will build an AI outfit generator that lets you try clothes on virtually by just uploading your personal picture and a clothing item. First, let's install Context 7 MCP to Traycer. Go to tracer.ai, log in, go to the remote MCP servers section. You can see that I have Context 7 already installed, but for you, you can install it by using the Add Custom MCP button, and you can use this endpoint URL in your configuration. I'll put this link in the description. Okay, here I am inside Cursor. What I want to do is go to the Traycer extension here, and it opens up Traycer. By the way, the current application is empty. The current folder is empty, so I want to create a template. Let me open the terminal, and using this command, let me create a Next.js template that we can use. Awesome. Now we have a couple of files already, so we don't have to create these ones again. So let me go to Traycer and let's start planning. Before starting to plan, I want to make sure that I am on the correct mode. There are phases mode and plan mode. The phases mode allows you to clarify your intent through multiple questions. It's like a conversation with the AI so that the AI understands what you want. A plan mode is just one shot plan and then you execute that in Cursor. So I want phases mode. I want to clarify my intent and then it will create phases for me that I can execute step by step. Build me a AI outfit app. I'll click send. Okay, the AI has given me a response. Now we're gonna answer the couple of questions that it's gonna ask us. Now it's saying, what should the app do? So let me answer this question. The app should take pictures of a person and a picture of a clothes, a picture of a piece of clothes, and generate an image of that person wearing that suit. So this is an answer to the first question. Then I will continue answering these questions repeatedly. I am going to fast forward this part. As you can see, it's using Context 7 because it's taking models, it's taking documentations about Open Router, the SDK documentation, Gemini 2.5 Flash, etc., so that it can make better decisions. Awesome. Now I think the plan is generated. Okay, I'm going to ask it to show the breakdown so it can list all of the phases. You can see here that it has created a phase for setting up AI SDK and basic UI structure. This is the first step that we're going to take. I'll say generate me a plan. Okay, it's calling Context 7. It's taking the documentation again, making sure everything's okay, making sure that the code that we're going to implement is already supported by the SDK libraries or Open Router, etc. It's checking that. Okay, the plan is generated. I want to visualize it by clicking a mermaid diagram option. I can click here, open diagram, and it will show me a visual of the current plan. So let's execute this by clicking executing cursor. Nice, everything's installed. The plan is executed. Now let me test it in the web. Let me create a new terminal and I will run pm dev and let's see what we get. Wow, it's cool, right? It's a good MVP. It has created the person photo upload, the closing item upload, and the generate button. So this is perfect. This is good. So let's go back to cursor. So I want to go back to the phase breakdown where the phases are listed. So we just currently finished the first phase. Now the second phase is image upload and previewing components. Let's generate the plan for it. From now on, I'm going to fast forward everything because it's gonna take long. Okay, we have finished coding. Now let's go to the generated app and let's try it out. So let me add my personal photo here and let me add a closing item here. As you can see, I'm wearing a hoodie and I want to change into a particular shirt. So let's see how it's going to be able to accomplish that. Let me click generate. Yes, as you can see, I'm wearing a shirt now. From a hoodie into a shirt. Nice. So this is it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.